Hello class, welcome to week 3 of distance learning. Today is Tuesday, but it's the first day of our week, so we will just start with our emotional regulation check-in and we will do our share about our weekend. If you aren't able to join us for our Google meeting today, you can just put your info into the Google form right over here. For our emotional regulation daily practice this week, we're just going to use this video to practice our calming breath. Today we're just going to talk about what we did over the weekend. If you're able to join us for the Google Meet, share with us there. If you are not, then you can just put a post on our discussion post on Schoology. Hello, today is Wednesday. We are going to continue with our routine, emotional regulation with your daily check-in, how you feeling today, and then our daily practice with that video of breathing, and then you're going to do our sharing topic of the day, and then we'll start with our skills today. If you aren't able to join us for our Google meeting today, you can just put your info into the Google form right over here. For our emotional regulation daily practice this week, we're just going to use this video to practice our calming breath. Good morning, students. Today I would like you to share a school-appropriate joke or meme. You can tell us about it at the Google meeting today, or you can just put it in the Schoology discussion post. All right, we're looking at what classroom instruction has in common with Google Meeting classroom instruction that happens at your house. So, pets. Do pets happen at school, at home, or both? Pets happen at home. We don't bring our pets to school. Next is a locker. Do we have lockers at school, at home, or both? We have lockers at school. Listen. Do we need to listen at school, at home, or both? We need to listen at both places. My toys. Are my toys at school, at home, or both? My toys are at home. Okay, go. Classmates. Are my classmates at school, at home, or both? My classmates are at school.
They're sometimes at school or both because they can be at your house.
Okay. Next. My parents. Are my parents at school, at home, or both? My parents are at home. Couch. Do I sit on my couch at school, at home, or both? I sit on my couch at home. Teachers in pairs. Are teachers in pairs at school, at home, or both? Teachers in pairs are at school. Taking turns. Do I need to take turns at school, at home, or both? I need to take turns both places. Friends. Are my friends at school, at home, or both? I'm learning with my friends at school. Desk. Do I sit at my school desk at school, at home, or both? That's at school. Do I need to do my work at school, at home, or both? I need to make sure I do my work both places. All right. Who is with me when I'm learning? Brothers and sisters, school, at home, or both? My brothers and sisters are with me at home when I'm learning.
Maybe.
Home. Do I need to look at the thing I'm learning at home, school, or both? I always need to look at both places. And
Final
focus. Should I focus when I'm at home, at school, or both? I need to focus at both places. So as you can see, some things that we do at school happen mainly at school. Some things that happen at home happen mainly at home. But when we're learning, doing our distance learning, at both places, we need to make sure that we listen, that we look, that we take turns, we do our work, and that we focus. Thanks. Today we're going to start talking about how learning in the classroom is both similar and different from learning at home with Google Meets. In the classroom, we are surrounded by our friends, our teachers, and our paras. We have our stuff in our lockers, and we sit at a desk. When we're at home in our Google meetings, we have our pets around us, we have our toys, there's the couch, our brothers and sisters are around. So those are different things about the classroom versus Google Meeting. But both at school and at home, when we are learning, we need to make sure that we listen, we take turns, we are working, and that we stay focused on what we're learning on that day. If you aren't able to join us for our Google meeting today, you can just put your info into the Google form right over here. For our emotional regulation daily practice this week, we're just going to use this video to practice our calming breath. Good morning, students. I would like to hear about something that you created. Please show us or tell us in Schoology discussion post. Yesterday, we compared how learning at home and learning at school are different and similar. Learning at home is similar to learning at school because we need to follow expectations. Those expectations include listening, taking turns, work, focus, look, stay on topic, and stay with the group. Today, I would like you to practice and apply the information you've learned about the expectations in Google Classroom. Pick one expectation, and as you join other Google meetings, think about how are you doing with that expectation, and how are other students doing with that expectation. Tell me about it tomorrow. When we are doing our distance learning and we are on our Google meeting, we're going to talk about what's expected and unexpected. Remember, expected behaviors are okay. They make others feel comfortable. Unexpected behaviors are not okay. They make people feel uncomfortable. So we need to look at the screen when we're on our Google meeting. That's expected. Playing with our toys during a Google meeting is unexpected or not okay. Focusing on what we're learning is expected. That is okay. Watching TV during our Google meeting is unexpected. It's not okay. Dress code. Following the school dress code during Google meetings is expected or okay. Being distracted with other things is unexpected or not okay. Listening with our microphone on mute is expected. It is okay. Playing with toys during a Google meeting is unexpected or not okay. Staying on topic during our Google meeting lessons is expected. It is okay. Being in our PJs is unexpected. It's not okay. Doing our work is expected or okay during Google meetings. Blurting or interrupting is unexpected. It's not okay. Taking turns when we're talking is expected or okay. Now we know what is expected during our Google meetings. Thanks. If you aren't able to join us for our Google meeting today, you can just put your info into the Google form right over here. For our emotional regulation daily practice this week, we're just going to use this video to practice our calming breath. Good morning, students. I would like you to share with us something new that you have tried or something new that you would like to tell us about. Please share with us at the Google meeting or write about it in the Schoology discussion post. I would like you to be able to describe and demonstrate what the expected behaviors are for the Google Classroom. Expected behaviors in the Google Classroom meetings include look, listen with the microphone muted, take turns, focus, work, school dress code, and stay on topic. Unexpected behaviors in the Google Classroom include watching TV, playing with your toys or playing with your dogs, off-topic comments, interrupting, distracting, wearing pajamas, walking away, writing gibberish in the comments, and leaving the meeting several times.